What is that?
What is that?
What is that? What is that? Leave this to bed.
Something when you carry the command.
What you asking me?
I say you be officer.
Officer for what? What kind of process the question is that? What kind of unrealistic question are you asking me? Come. Do you know who I am? Are you aware that I am a renounced officer in this country?
No, I know. Renounced officer where you be. Change you know the pay una. You not suffer head una dey do.
You don't mad? What kind of nonsense question is that? What kind of unrealistic question are you asking me? Go, Chile. Do you know that you are talking to a renounced officer of the law of this country?
I know. And that is why I'm asking you, because see the way you dress, they be like person where they go as you know, they walk like backyard, they walk, person where they even beat for walk. See cream money where you hold, see belt don't turn chara, see your belt don't rust, finish everything. See cream 50 naira where you hold, don't there. What do you want this money?
Will you shut up? Go, Chile. What is this now? What kind of woman are you? Why are you contradicting every effort I try to make to put in this house as a father? What's your problem now?
I don't see problem.
I want to ask you, do you know the kind of how I survive? Do you know the kind of bullet I escape every day in this country? Okay, fine. 2 days ago, as I was going, the armed robbers, nonsense hoodlums that are coming back from robbery. When they saw me peer, they started shooting. We started firing each other. They were shooting, I was shooting, they were shooting, I was. To a point, my bullet got exhausted. I had to run for my dear life. Are you bad? Why are you touching me?
Make I check my papa now. I want to check you know whether
check me. Do you know what it takes to be an officer in this country?
No, you misunderstand me. They talk like person where they get typhoid and malaria.
Me?
Yes.
They get typhoid?
Because you with my papa, but I'm not trying. No trying. I'm only with this. No trying.
Which money? You
they lie, give me. You they lie. If you lie to other people, don't like give your pikin. I'll be your pikin. You want no. You they shoot robbers. You want no. Not be you again. You will be see if you see robbers like this, now you go first and take off. If you can't take off, you will call remember say you get picking waiting for that side. Go on, they call me Chile. You see that there.
I don't blame you.
You say I mean you do defense. Now you tell me say you shoot them, they shoot you. You shoot them, they shoot you. And the gun no, the bullets no touch you. You try. You try, sir. You try. Even if you see robbers, if you see officers like this, you go know. By their faces, by their dressing, you go know. See you now. See officer. Raise your arm, make us see. You see her now. Officer, armpit don't tear finish.
I don't know, see again. I don't be now.
They look after one for one office.
Not be that one. No, say this not tear. What's your problem?
Where you're gone? Where gone? Where if okay, you be officer, be where you're gone? They already give one a gun.
Get as they be. Get as they be with the gun.
Then you see robbers that day you shoot them. Where they go, where they shoot them. And then this bag in the day. Every day by day, you know they come the highest money you will come back. Either you come back with all this small 50 naira change, and you go see that they beg money. They like give person.
Come, see, let me tell you, Chile. If not that you are my daughter, I would have arrested you for character deformation and house assault.
Change work, do that. Stop this work, drop uniform, come village, make we do farm work together.
Make me do farm work.
You know they train me well. You know they chop well.
You know they chop well.
I know they chop well.
You know they chop well.
Only 2 times in a day.
You know people when they chop at all a day. You know people when they chop at all.
All my friends they chop 3 times, 4 times, or even 5 times.
But you all know.
Do another work.
No. See, make I tell you, if they plan say maybe if you chop, you go grow past like this. Tell you, like your nature. You don't concern you. So all the food why they give you, they not be food. They tell me say make I do another. Okay. Which another work with you?
If now, okay, for example now, if you just start this boy work, you get all this big chief where you go to work for.
Me boy. At this age, bro. So at this age, they want me make I go do boy. At this age, they do boy, they free when I go don't die, when I go. Come. See. As I enter, I stop machine. I carry my bicycle. I stop my phone. Roll out. So that I know you know go here. Papa. You still can come out for here. What did they do for backyard? What did they winch? Chinchi. Everywhere you go.
You never drop money for me. Never drop money.
Idiot. You know the money we have. What kind of human being? I deliberately off machine for road. You start the roll out. Back out. They say I follow back here. Go here. Chinchi. Yeah. Anytime I come with money, I will see this idiot. But anytime I will come back without money, I will see her. What is you here again? What is it? Eh? This one where you just come out and sit down here, come you look me like goat. We just finish to the chop grass now. What is the problem? What is it?
I've been looking because any morning when I come outside, they see they clean your shoe. Some things just they come my brain, and the thing no good. You know the thing?
I don't know. I did your brain.
Anytime I see, I just remember saying we poor. Say poverty in this house. See shoe where they wear go work. This shoe now, since when they born me, they wear this shoe till today. You see they wear and go. This is not the old. This is the manage them. They clean them every time. You they clean them. You never want to change them. That's what the poverty who you rich. They embarrass me.
Come. This shoe not old. What have you come? Who have to call now? Not the tell me. Not the talk rubbish.
I don't know whether na thief they go outside. Tell me what thing they go do every morning for outside. It's just the police they do.
Okay. Now no be sure again. Na thief. Come. Chile. So you just come out from room like this early morning while they prepare to go walk. They clean my shoe. You don't even say good morning, daddy, or good morning, papa, like you usually call me. Now that to sit down here and begin to vomit rubbish. The only thing when you come out from here, you first they look me like that's what won't kill me. I ask you what is the problem. You now enter shoe from shoe now. You enter police thief. Be the man. Come, you see me for dream. So that to insult me this morning, I be this.
You get a CD.
How you be? Say they clean my shoe now. They call property. Look me finish now. They insult me.
Suppose don't change the shoe. At least make it change. You know, say na officer you be.
What do this shoe now? Like this shoe now? Who they?
Papa, na officer you be.
What? You know how much I buy this shoe?
You suppose they be like officer because I know they say I'm too. Say na officer work. I know they say all the officers they chop better food. If you see that the belly go big, but you wear belly they nothing. The normal officer they get belly, they get pot belly. Now evidence of officer work. But you not get anyone. Okay. And every morning you go stand, they go work, they come back. Which work they do? You should say no be thief you don't do because officers they pay them well now.
If I slap you the mad? You the mad?
No.
See, no, you know come like Jacka. Maka, there, in here. I know they look you. No, open up. The talk rubbish. The talk rubbish. Idiot. Well, okay, wait. Chile, this shoe now.
See, you know they see this thing. Say.
What did you have?
You know they see
this shoe now.
I don't know what even people gonna think say they do sell. If they see it routine, if they gonna say you be better officer, they're not gonna say na akitala person be.
Come, boy. You know, as I look in, I know what they hungry me. Now to kill you. Now to just carry this one poof here. Carry that, kill you here. Because I don't know who you be.
You don't know what?
I don't know who you be. Because as you did now, what are they seeing now? Village people. You now as you did now, village people. You don't resemble me. I know you. You know resemble. I don't know where you come from. I don't manage you. You just come here and open this. You are not saying the talk rubbish. You come here. Hey. If I look down, let him jump in and say you don't sit down. Go, sit down. Okay, after when you don't talk this nonsense, you need to vomit rubbish finish. Now you won't stand up, waka come out. Yeah? Turn the if I call thunder now, idiot. You insult me, Abi. I don't blame you. Now lack of appreciation. Person go just they suffer, they dodge gun, they dodge militant, they dodge turbulent, they gather everything, suffer finish, carry body, they feed you. Feed you finish, you will come get strength, they vomit rubbish. The time you say, shoot, what do you do this shoe now? This shoe, you know how much I buy this shoe? The time you say, since when they born me, until now you see they go, no, I go wear your head. Okay, now you go wear. Who's even get mine the time you say, you get what they think, that thing they disturb them. You see, go police you, you get mine, they ask me whether I know them. Are you mad?
Make her they go.
If I hear that, make I they go. They say walk on that, this walk while they walk on that, they put food for your table, they make you the top. And they say walk on that, they call you, they talk rubbish. I don't blame you.
No problem.
Shut up, Bobby. Come, see me, before you come out, make I warn you. Any day again, we go see me there, they prepare work, they clean it, it comes down, it comes with this nonsense, that they bring that thing.
No! I'm not going to sit down because the watch they irritate me, sir. They irritate me.
So the watch you said they irritate me because I don't know who you be. Stop, who are you? Who give me that name?
The poverty reach the tower where you use the clay because what I know there to wash the tower. The richer.
You put that do. Oh, you know it that way now. Oh boy, okay, from shoe to poverty. Now don't wear. Nah! What did I do this girl? What? Hey, come. Chile! Who are you? Nah!
Every time.
Ma, hear what? What did you say about they do? If not be boroboro work in the
Which one be boroboro work? Which one? No, tell me which one be boroboro work. Don't try that nonsense again. No.
Are you hear yourself, Shile? You don't say any work where they put food for man table, na house be that. So anything where your papa they work, where they make food the day your house, make you respect them, cause na house be that.
Come. You well don't support my papa one can. It's just you know they look my papa one side. You sure say you know what make you take over my mama's space as my mother don't die now. Talk true, make her know, cause I don't understand this our friendship again. Make her talk.
Make she try am now. Even she know say she no go get peace in the same house with you.
It don't go work now. It not be me again. It don't go work now. I know the kind of people who want for my papa. No be kind of person where they like you. No. But even though I know they support you too. I know they support you.
But Chile, come to think of it, if na me, my papa be officer for this village, they not go hear what though.
If I want to start anything, any kind thing safe, I go add una two now for the agenda where I get where I want to deal with for this community. I will add una two.
Why you go dey talk like that? You know say we na your party.
Who be my party?
Just put code now. We go.
No, who be my party?
Adi.
What's it? Come on, get out. Who be this one? Thank God say today my papa no day. No get shame. Come make her.
Please leave my Chile.
See, Effie.
Chile. Leave my way.
Why you go enter this house without knocking?
Oh, this girl. I'm going to kill you. I'm going to kill you.
Why you go enter this house no go knock? Who invite you come?
Knock which door again?
Who invite you
Why should
come?
I even knock before I enter my boyfriend's house?
Okay, your boyfriend's house. You know what's my papa house? Your boyfriend and papa, which one better? Or you're calling to make us now?
Chile. Oh, this girl. Chile. Why did you bite me?
Come on, get out.
Leave my way, let me pass.
Akuna like you.
Me, Akuna.
Get out.
And me, Shay. Your father will hear us. Don't worry. Chile. Ouch.
Idiots. You are mad. No, today when I get time for you, say make a beat you, make we do something today. When our papa no day, no opportunity for me. You know, come agree me will fight them or me will talk them, exchange small words. God will catch you one day. If you ever pay your bride price, they call him boyfriend. Old man like that, they be your boyfriend. Idiots. Try. What you know they do self? I'm tired for this kind of lifestyle. Every time I go to wait for my papa to give me money before I could do anything what I want. Nah, I go do something. No, I go do something. But wait though, for this village, plenty opportunity the way person feel take shine. I can't do something fast though. Someone probably like saying be officer. My mind just tell me say no be officer anything. But make I just take and say be officer, make I join her for my life too. Make I foresee something take the survive now. But me I need to chop. Maybe I need to go hungry, I go come out. I think I go just find someone. I go use this in officer thing now. Take the operate. I go use them. I go use them.
Odinaka.
Thief! Where's my gun? Where's my gun?
What's your problem now? Where the thieves now? What's all this? Oh, it's me now. No thieves, relax. How your toy gun, sir?
Why did you touch me? Why did you touch me now?
Why did I touch you? What do you mean by that?
Why did you touch me now?
Are you okay? I touched you because I want us to talk. But why even asking me why did I touch you? I'm not your girlfriend.
Go Joy, you are too beautiful. Forget it, see, I didn't mean it. I was just trying to tease you. It's not that.
Oh, leave me alone.
What happened now? What is the problem? No, tell me now. Why you acting the way? Did anybody touch you? Of course, nobody. I know that nobody will ever try it. Nobody in this village will try it. Because if they try it, if anybody touches you in this village, that person should consider himself or herself a dead.
That is not the problem. That is not the problem.
Girlfriend.
That's not the problem.
It's not the problem.
Yes.
So what is the problem?
Everybody in this village, they all know that you are a police officer. So they can't even touch your girlfriend.
Don't call police officer here. I don't want to just call me an officer. Everybody know that it's not possible now. They can't touch you.
I'm not happy. See, I'm not happy. I'm very, very angry.
What is the problem?
Kill that.
Who that you tell me the person, let me go and kill the person.
You kill that person.
I'm telling you.
Are you sure?
Whoever it might be in this village that is making you to be is that person
Odinaka. Do you know that I took my bath this morning?
Okay.
Dressed up very well and came to my boyfriend's house.
And an idiot stop you somewhere? Tell me the person. Father, let's just go here. Let's go there now. Tell me the person is dead.
Okay.
If that person, after dressing well to come to see me, and an idiot came from somewhere to disturb that movement.
Chile is that idiot though. Yes, so
Chile.
That your arrogant daughter is that idiot that stopped me from entering my boyfriend's house. But that's not even the problem, that didn't even get to me. Do you know that your child had the mind to call me Akuna? Me.
Chile called you Akuna?
Yes.
Chelo, is there any other person that is called Chile in this Chile? Oh, a grown-up Chile?
You think it's funny, Abi?
No,
Am I smiling?
Let me, Chile, my daughter.
Your little witch called me a prostitute.
She's dead then. She's dead. If she can have the effrontery to open her gutter as she called man to call you, that is my babe, my lover, my bone of my bones, the sugar in my tea, the cockroach in my armpit, Akuna, then she's gone. Can you imagine? Don't worry. In fact, let me calm down because I will kill her today.
I'm very, very serious about this.
Don't worry now.
No one has ever called me such a name before.
And she did.
And I'm just thinking, the reason why you've not, like, you didn't come back to find her disabled, like, broken, with blind eye itself is because of the love I have for you.
Oh, thank
I would have crushed that your little witch of a child.
I can't crush her.
Why now?
No, thank you. Thank you for the respect. Thank you for the respect.
But I won't take it again next time. She should not try me.
She won't try it. If she does that next time, what would I do to her? I would...
You kill her now.
No, don't kill. I wanted to say disown her. But in disown, don't worry. I know what I will do to her is in my mind. Oh, my baby. Hi. You know, each time...
Oh, small now.
What is small now? You know,
I'm still not happy.
Calm down now. Don't worry. You know, naturally, I'm a very greedy human being. And that's why I have somebody like you. Very large. Because I'm greedy. And when somebody who is greedy does not take it small. We rush it.
Oh, okay. I'm
Just calm down. When Chile comes,
we'll kill her.
Not kill, calm down. Why are you talking about kill? Killing. The Bible said they shall not kill. They shall not kill.
That girl is a trouble to us.
They just say what I will do to her is in my mind. Do you understand? Remove killing from that side. You can talk of other things that we can do to her. Probably
tie her up and beat her under the tree.
It's deep under. It's under the umbrella of killing. You look like Kanta, very soft. Maybe it's not Kanta. Look Kanta. For the fact that somebody had the mind to give me Kanta, I will still have the mind to give somebody Kanta. They have the mind to give it to me. I will have the mind also to give it to another person. Everything is high. And then I will waste a whole 2 hours. It's not possible.
Odinaka! Baby! Oh, are you not inside? Baby!
Come inside. Oh, sweet. Yeah, my baby. Hi.
Why now? Why did you keep me knocking for that long?
How? You just knocked now and I responded.
I just knocked what? I've been there for like over 30 minutes. I don't like all this stress.
Probably you were there without knocking. Immediately you knocked, I responded now. See, I've been here very hungry. In fact, God answered my prayer. Because I've been praying, when are you going to come so that you go and buy something for us to cook? Please,
so cook what?
I'm very hungry. I'm very...
I don't understand. What's my business with you being hungry? Me, I'm hungry too now.
Can you tell you you're hungry too? Fine. I want you to just, I'll organize 1 or 2 things. So you go to the market and organize something punchy.
Actually, me, I'm hungry and that's why I came. Because I was thinking that you would take me to that restaurant in front to go and have a good meal. No way it will touch me. So every time we should not be eating in the house.
Lucy, what kind of human being are you? Why would you say that kind of a thing? Why are you saying that? You know that my salary is for 5,000. For over 2 or 3 months, they have not given me any allowance. Where will you take? For what salary?
It's okay, I beg. It's okay. I'm used to it already now. You always say it every time. No money, poverty, 45,000. Armed robbers took the money. This one happened. It's a normal talk, but I'm just tired.
See, let me tell you.
Don't tell me anything, I beg. I'm tired of hearing all this poverty talk every time. So, what is this? Can't you be like other men? Level up, because I am tired. I can't continue like this now. Take me out to go and have a good meal. For once in your life, what have I done to you?
Have I not been giving you money? Have I not been giving
Which
you money? See, let me tell you, the best thing you can do now, when I organize 1 or 2 things, probably money, you go to the market and organize wonderful Afan soup, homemade food, native food that will eat and will enjoy yourself.
I will not. I said I will not cook anything. I'm tired.
Let me tell you something you don't know, Lucy. Don't you know that this intercontinental nonsense causes cancer? Homemade food. What is that? It's not a laughing matter.
Poverty is entering your head. You're getting confused. Which cancer? Olodo, which cancer?
Go. Have you not been hearing of
I've not heard.
It's like cancer of the breast, cancer of the lungs, cancer of the liver.
Poverty talk.
Cancer of the lungs.
Poverty talk.
That is what you
Not your leg cancer.
That's what you get from this intercontinental nonsense. This is from very big spices, nonsense spices. That's where they contact that cancer. If you want to, you want to get cancer of the breast. No, if you want to, let us go now where you eat and get cancer. I'm telling you now, let me give you money. Go to market, eat, prepare homemade food. The food that after eating, you'll be okay.
Okay, just give me the money. Bossy, I cook that food. Tell your daughter. That chile, whatever is that name, that your witch. She not need the pot though. Agreed.
How can you call my daughter evil? No, now stop saying this now. This is somebody that's somebody like you carried for 9 months. And then the live in good pain. And you are calling, no, now. No, it's not good. Just think if it's your daughter. If she's your daughter, will you call her evil?
That witch will not eat my food. If you want me to cook it, let me go and cook. We eat it together. She will not eat it.
My daughter is not a witch. Don't worry, I'll give you. See what will happen. Where did I keep this money? Which trouser? Which trouser or cap or shoe? You know what, Just
what?
Go outside. Let you
do what?
There's this towel that I hang outside. Just go and bring it. My trouser is outside and there's money in the pocket. Go and bring. Let me collect the money from there and give you so that you go and arrange half and food. Go outside. Did you not see
you're not serious. Don't worry.
Go outside.
You stay hungry. Stay hungry.
Stay hungry, pa.
Stay hungry.
Chile. What is this now? Why are you not sleeping now? What is this now? Since you go, you lie down for here, that it is stretching. What is this now?
See, somebody cannot stretch again in our father's house because of this person. I was just dreaming, having these sweet dreams. You not come and wake me because of this stupid girl.
What kind of dream were you dreaming? So we they sleep for night. Sleep. You be witch.
You now you be witch.
You will not close your eye and sleep. Small pikin, you not go sleep for night.
I'm wicked. Maybe as you say, you don't want to go your house, say you want to sleep for this house stuff. But even as my father never even patient for your head, say you not go your house, go to sleep for this house, You see you, peace no go ever find you.
What Naka? Sure you've heard Abby? No, you've heard your child now. When are we going to get married? No, when? Now she's now mocking me that I'm not married to you and I'm in your house.
Calm down now.
Calm down what? Calm down what?
Nonsense.
Me nonsense, Abby?
Come on.
I took it to be that way. I won't take all this rubbish. I'm just tired. People should sleep alone there. Nonsense.
Let me and my daddy sleep. Daddy, let's sleep.
Nonsense, rubbish. I'm tired of all this. Can you imagine? I don't have peace in my man's house. Why? Because of one small little girl. Oh. Can you imagine? I'm just tired. I can't even take this anymore. Oh God. When will all this stop?
Chile, what did I do for this life? Why are you this wicked? Can you help me? What is this now? What did I do for this life?
I'm not wicked now. Just make she come and make two of us sleep for peace.
Maybe you have to sleep for what peace? Maybe you sleep for what time? How go they here now? I don't position make I climb. You go here, they look like what is this? That
They sleep now, they sleep. When you want to climb, this thing don't weak. Oh. If you climb there now, this thing go fall.
Okay, you don't know where I want to climb.
Where you want to climb?
Okay, Chile, you don't know where I want to climb. You don't know where I want to climb. Now everybody they do what is your problem this life? Can you help me? Why are you this wicked? Why you say you don't want make I take my right? Make I drop my right this night? Yeah, every part of my body is at attention. They need to just stand. You know what? You know what? Chile, take all this place, no problem. Just take all this place. If I, God. If I see you from parlor, if you come that parlor, if I see you, I'm going to pick it that will be your end. Try me this night. If you don't come, get one now. But let me not commit murder. I will you know, find it. Forget the parlor.
Cold, you 2 days this room now. Cold, I don't feel stay here alone. Cold, natural cold.
Hey. I just want this idiot. I want the idiot. I know you're not happy with me. You're not happy with the whole thing. But that should not even give the room for you to walk out from the room now.
Odinaka, I shouldn't walk out of the room. Are you the one saying this?
I'm sorry.
You sat there and you watched her insult me. Insult upon insult. Oh my God. I can't even take this. I won't take this anymore. I will not. I'm going to break up with you because I cannot even take this anymore.
No, now. You can't say that now. You know how impossible Okile could be. She's that girl, she's so impossible. She's so irritating. But that should not give you the room to say this. They're going to leave this relationship. If you do that, then I will die now. You want me to die?
But I can't continue like this. Yeah, I can't.
I have warned you. If she eventually come to this place,
if she comes in here, I'll kill her.
No. Just how do you go? Is it from back?
From back.
Look, I can't join on a beg. Don't be me cold one kill. Look, all of us they go.
No, let's start like this.
What is this?
You know me, she's not coming out now. What is all this?
Let's
here. Little witch.
What kind of thing is this? Can you
Go too much.
I won't go on. No. Baby, how are you? Please, I am going to work now. I am almost late. In fact, my time is against me. Do you understand? Please, I beg you, do not do anything stupid with my daughter.
How?
You know now, I know that you know how with her mouth. In case she starts to misbehave, please.
Tell her to control her mouth.
I don't. That's why I am here now to tell you now. However, she does it. Please, don't say anything, please. Because I know if I should allow you to go here, please.
I've heard I will try. Allow me to brush my mouth, I beg. Allow me, I will try.
It's alright. Please don't ask. If you want to go, You can go. If you still want to wait for me, fine. Oh?
I'm not going anywhere. I'll wait for you now. You promised to buy me bushmeat when you're coming back.
Bushmeat. No problem. I'll buy you bushmeat. It's alright. I miss you.
I know hugging me before going.
I am late now. I am late. Don't worry. Once I come.
No need for you to hide now. I left the food for you to come and eat. Come outside though. Why are you hiding? I know you're hungry now. Hungry little witch.
Little witch.
Oh.
Little witch. Come and fire. So you leave the food for me. Now you make me stress myself so I don't steal my food. You the crazy.
You're the one punishing yourself.
Now why the dog say, who go help you, no go stress you? You see, you be witch. No go better for him. You cook food for me, allow me make her steal my food. I don't blame you.
Chile, do you know life would be easier for you if you actually turn a new leaf and start taking me as your mother? Yes, now.
You go no mother. You go be father. You don't find person where you go mother. Now me you go mother. You are mad. Instead of you to be my mother, make her come motherless forever. See what you cook. Just see what woman being adults like you cook. See am, make her call for when they chop am. Me no fit even chop am. See what you cook.
Don't worry now. The one you eat next, is rat poison.
At your age, you don't fit cook ordinary rice. Just ordinary rice. When me at my age they cook or have soup and they cook soup for my papa. You like this no cook rice. Show more to you. So.
Chile, bet me I'm going to kill you in this house.
No, you think you can kill me? Oh, dream.
This girl.
Kill me, make us.
Yeah, she did. Don't worry. Come and drink water so you will not choke.
Come on, kill me.
Well, you think you are in this house. Just no. You know me.
Wait. Papa did anything.
My friends. Now pepper sauce be that.
You dey enjoy you. No wonder you dey big anyhow. How you doing?
I know na mommy do. I'm sure you like them.
I like them. Tito.
Normally I can cook.
Nothing.
The child dey sweet you. The child dey sweet you. Me no reach on turn now you can't say cock will fly up and down.
Abi.
The church dey sweet.
I don't like this sleep. I don't like this sleep finish. What to be this one now? What to be this one? Because I don't smell that. No, my papa. Because the sleep finish, don't let them smell. Don't worry, when you eat my car, I go do something. I mean, maybe I go bring more.
Which more, Abana? Now for my pass shop. I beg, after this one, I'm not bringing anything. I beg you.
This is amazing. No, share.
No, share. I don't like what you're eating. No, share. It's only the innocent that will pass someone's compound out. Something will start missing. Things will start missing. Another thief. But once you pass the same compound, things go miss. Who's thief?
Chile, good afternoon. Why will you use such words on me?
Why I not go use that? Where you be one go? Should be you see me like this now, you enter bush. No be road be this. I be road, not the blind.
Chile, I was about to enter the same bush before I saw you.
You were about to enter inside bush to do it, to shit. Okay, if not to shit, why you still stand there? The shit never hold you. Why you still stand there with stick? You want shit with stick.
Chile, I have to rush to the house before I release this bomb here.
If you don't release the bomb, we don't look for another goat for this village. If you don't release that bomb, let the bomb will not catch any goat. Let the bomb will not catch any goat or foul. They release bomb, it's like release thunder. Are you sabi?
What is the work of Chile in this village? Anywhere one goes, she will just show up her face for nothing. It will look as if I am afraid of her. I am not afraid of her. It's just because her father is an officer. Anywhere she will just show her face like that. Fatu. Oh no. Today, let me know who owns this house today. Come on, what is this? Come more closer. Just come, my friend. Come. What is that? Oh, you're posing to move, to take off. Yeah. Just come close. Because I am waiting for you to just come. There! Your neck and your head will only here. Just come here. Position your neck and give it to me. Position your neck and give it to me. Come back at once.
What is
there?
What is the problem?
Where's my money? Where's my money you stole from my bag?
I not stole the money. I took it. I took my papa money.
Oh. You haven't said it to your mouth. Vomiting rubbish from your mouth. You stole him. You took him. With whose permission?
You take permission from me before you bring me to this world. I tell you, I won't come come from this kind of poverty family. So me I dey for my mama belly, they pray make God carry me go reach my house. You from nowhere just carry me come this family. You take permission from me. You tell me, I tell you, sir, I won't come this family.
I'm gonna fire you there. Idiot, thunder that will fire you. Are you mad? Chile. Oh, okay. Oh, Chile. So you're a witch. Chile, you're a witch in this house. You're a witch that will know, to have know whose family you will be selected to come from your mother's womb as a child.
If I'm rich, you know bad. I know say I no be rich. To try I be witch. You to be witch, Papa. I be witch, Papa. See your head, see my head. See nose, see my nose, see my mouth. Look, we even increase that wizard family.
Holy Ghost fire, I reject it. See, I'm not a father. Look at me very well. I look yourself very well.
I see.
Do you look alike?
Yes.
Do we resemble anywhere?
Yes.
Thunder fire! Come! I'll kill you! See. You want me to kill you, Abi? Okay, you're positioning. Okay. Hey! Come back here, oh. Chile, come back here, oh.
Hey!
See, I am not going to kill you ordinarily. But before then, you are going to give me my money before I announce you obituary dead.
You know go calm down. Even if you announce me, even if you kill me, they prepare to sell. They prepare when I also ghost because if I come out, I go make sure say I comment for inside that cell where you go there. I go make sure say nobody go even wish you rest in peace. You go die for inside.
Come back here. Come back here.
Don't touch me, oh.
My friend, come back here. Because I am not ready to kill you. I am not going to kill you with ordinary hands.
That's nearly touch me, oh. Keep on down, oh.
If this one touch you, I will divide it into two. If I divide it into two, I will begin to pieces you. Tear, just like that. But I'm not going to kill you ordinary. I am going to use what we use in fighting war with militant to finish you, to kill you, because thunder will fire you. No, thunder will not fire you. Because if thunder fire you now, I'll become childless. I am going to born another child, then thunder will fire you. In fact, that thunder will fire that will fire you will be coming from Umunede. It will reverse and go through Obio and fire you.
Person just the past now, they go to say now, but that's they make you the shot like this. No, you're gonna say now, ordinary 20K. Why you go drink for me? You the cry like
20K. You call 20,000 ordinary. How much have you made since you came into this world?
Calm down.
You don't know that you are calling to order. Everything will end today. This is how I am going to kill Chile. This is Chile. Cow. For here. Cow. This side. Then only God knows what will happen with the other side. Hey.
Hold it there, Joe.
Hold it just like that.
Now.
Hold it there, Joe. What happened?
So, Odinaka, why didn't you stop at my house to give me what you bought for me from work? Why?
My dear, I wanted to, but if I tell you what happened today, armed robbers everywhere. Tower. I'm telling you, if I tell you how I managed to survive, you'll be happy for me. I'm telling you, I could have been dead by now.
I'm happy you're alive. But I'm tired of this your work. Too much excuses. When is money ever going to come? I'm tired.
Don't worry. Money will come, bro. I will make it. I swear, I will make it up to you.
You've been saying this for how long now? You swear, you make what?
Just don't worry. Let's go inside. Let's go inside.
I'm tired of all these stories about this your work every time. Different stories.
Don't worry. I will make it up to you. I swear. Come. Oh, smile now.
I'm not smiling. I'm not happy.
Oh, sorry.
You went to work. You don't buy me anything.
I will make it up to you. Hi.
I beg Joe.
How? Cow. Hi. Don't worry.
Your floor don't ready. Don't ready. I don't smell.
I beg. I want as waiting small picking like you won't use this kind of uniform.
I don't understand. No, I don't understand your question now. So I don't feel uniform do anything I like. Okay, in case one no. My school they do cultural day. And they say make we sew our career attire. Any clothes where you want, anything where you want because of future, make you sew the clothes you have. I mean, a police I want be. My friends still want be police. So what you call cause I don't feel so close.
Customer, no vex now, beg, no vex. You know, say the uniform too big for you. Police go even feel arrest me. This uniform.
I bet no they talk this thing, no they talk I don't like no they talk no they even tell me make I no vex. I get the right to vex. Cause if say now driver carry me come here now, you no go they ask me this question. Say now inside my mansion you they no go tell me this thing where they tell me. You no go even ask me whether small pikin like me, wait I want use this uniform do. No ask me again, I don't like
no
vex. No they touch me. No they touch me. No they touch me.
Okay, no.
You don't give me my clothes, make her go. Any day when you go see me for this your shop again, at that time you go no say, let me find your trouble. For now, no they touch me, no they touch me.
You never reach like
no
that.
No touch me again. Make we go.
Vex, I beg.
Next time you go see me for your shop.
No vex. No vex. Not my fault.
What I call your shop?
No vex, I beg. No vex. No me tell you vex.
So baby, you mean your daughter has been doing all this to you and you couldn't even call me to tell me?
That is the thing now. You know, I wanted to explain to you, but you were so angry. That was why I said no. Let's come inside so that I will explain everything. I'm sorry for everything. I was upset with everything. Yeah? Imagine the effrontery. That idiot that called herself from Chile. Yeah? After the whole suffering, deprived me of the 20,000 that I was supposed to give to you.
Can you imagine?
Huh?
Don't worry. It's
Hey. Come back here.
Imagine, you can't even do it.
Come back here, idiot. Look at the way it was moving like Amoro. Huh? Come, you think, what do you think you're going? You think after stealing my 20,000, you have your fortune to be moving like to enter into my house?
See, I'm angry, I'm not happy. I know it's because of the 20,000 you called me back. Or now 20,000, now making they trouble me like this. See, I don't already vex. Make nobody use their own trouble, prove my own trouble because me I'm not gonna take them.
Oh, you're calling 20,000 ordinary?
For your 20,000, I will give you your 20,000.
Give me a clap.
I invest them, make the investment grow. If it grow, I go use my other money, invest for other businesses what they do. The money go grow, I go cash out, I go use that pay you. And you, when they come our house again, now you they inflate my papa. You, now you they inflate.
Are you mad? Are you mad? How dare you? What effrontery! See, let me tell you, you have the mind to insult my baby, my girlfriend before me. You're not even afraid. You don't fear the man. Make I tell you, not see if I hear that hey. Now the man is sick.
You're slapping me because Mama is dead. Since I never slapped me before, never even touched me before. Now because of this witch, because of this ultimate, now you just slap me, Abby. You don't take any mind to the picture, not the one day you go kill me. Don't worry, my Mama spirit go torment you. Don't worry.
Oh, calm down, Dinaka. You didn't say anything wrong, bro. See that slap you gave her? It will reset her brain very, very well. You should be slapping her more.
No, now.
No, what?
I never meant to slap her. It was a mistake.
So you want to spare the rod that spoiled the child? Is that what you want to do?
The slap was...
Chile is already arrogant. You should be slapping her more. How can you bring up such an arrogant daughter?
You don't understand. You will not understand. She's my daughter. Forget about whatever she might have done. Slapping her is not...
okay, so insulting you. And slapping me because she slapped me. Oh, look at my ex spinning me.
No,
what?
No, now, Lucy, she did not slap me.
She slapped me. Look at that small child I can give birth to. She's slapping me. Meaning what?
No, she was trying to touch your dick to tell you
touch
something.
Me. Otinaka. Hey.
Okay, let me ask you. If you were the one that had Chile as a mother, and then something happened now, you probably wanted later or the other, she insulted me. Will you slap her?
Why won't I slap her? What's that? Be slapping her more. Yes, that girl is too spoiled. What's your problem?
I should be slapping her more.
Yes.
No, now. No, listen.
My eyes is paining me. Oh, my eyes is paining me. My cheeks is paining me. I can't. What's all this now? Don't touch
sorry
me,
now. Sorry now.
No.
I am begging now. Okay.
You love your child more than me. Leave me alone.
No, I love you. I love you.
You love me how?
Equal love. I love her. I love you. In fact, your love is bigger.
Please relax, Joe. We're having a good time. Hold me. Because of that.
I'm holding you now.
Want to come and spoil our mood.
See, you know what? Let me just go inside and then change it to something so that we'll go out and then take care of ourselves well. Yeah?
Fast,
it's alright.
Oh, but my cheek is paining me.
Sorry now. You don't want me to go and change? Well, okay, let me take care of your eyes.
No, don't worry. Go and change. Let's go out. Go now. Otaka, please go now. Be fast, though. Be too rich. Not to blind my eyes. Cho. When you don't know how to control your tongue, you see it keeps landing you slap upon slaps. You be getting slapped. Small child, like you don't know how to control your mouth. You be talking anyhow. How would they slap you? Baby. Why is your face like that?
My chest.
Come, let's go. Are you pitying her or what? By now, you both know that it's just you know that person can take your place in my life, in this village. Baby, you see what you did to your child today? I like it. I like the way you slap her. You even see that she's not even sorry for what you even did. She's not even sorry. She's there. A small girl like her, she's so filled with pride. What is it now? Why is your face like this? What is that? Are you okay? What happened now? What's in Naka? Where are you going to? What's in Naka? Okay, come back here. What's the of this now? Why are you stressing me?
Please forgive me.
What's in Naka? This why you left me in the road running like you. So you ran back here to come and beg your child after beating her or what? I don't understand. You cautioned the child for doing wrong by slapping her, and now you're back here begging her. What kind of a father are you? What are you teaching her?
No. Mama. See, let me tell you. You see this slap, why slap you? Please, forgive me. I don't even know what to make me go slap you. I just slap you, say that what happened. My only child, my daughter. Why I think the boo say at least I get daughter, I get somebody. Forgive me, bro. Forgive me.
Naka, now I see that you're the one encouraging your child to be insulting me. You're the one encouraging her to be bad. What kind of a father are you?
Oh, don't mind her. Oh, don't mind because I don't ever slap you. Anything will go make me slap you again. I never see that thing. That thing will go come in between us. They make me come they slap you, they beat you. Don't go find that thing.
I can't stand here and watch you both humiliate me. Can you imagine? I think I'm done with this thing. You can have your daughter, father, and charge my food. Rubbish.
Can you imagine? Just forgive me. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't feel bad. As I walk, I say, the thing they did, they come. Odnaka. That is your daughter, the only daughter, the only child, the only woman, the only man, the only boy, the only girl. I said, no, I cannot try it. Forgive me, oh. Sorry. Oh.
Me too, I'm sorry.
Oh, okay.
I'm the boy, that woman that is always causing it. It's one I think of it from between father and daughter. Anybody that wants to put a son that between this father and daughter again, Holy Ghost!
Fire! I concur. Fire.
Don't worry, I'll find the better woman that will replace my mother. One woman that will even be making you be saving your money, because this one is making you to spend money every time. That's why I even took that your money so that I can save it, because I know that you want to give it to that stupid girl.
Are you serious?
Yes.
You took that money?
Yes.
And kept it? That's true. No wonder. Because every time shish, I know they save shish again. No money. Every time money, no money. And you help me save the money?
Yes.
Oh, thank God. God bless you. Hi. No wonder. Because I said, I said, they come out, they cry. Eh? My person daughter this one, or my daughter. Oh. I said, they work that you do drag me to make I follow. I said, my spirit don't grieve me. I said, this daughter when they cry here, the only daughter will save you for this life. This one when you are too often follow fake kill you. And true, she fake kill you. See how she be like elephant.
You see.
Eh? If you will. Hi.
Now you see, I've
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for saving that money for me. If I tell you as I take get this money, now woman, why help carry her bag go put for put. She look me say, oh, wow, this man is too humble. Hi. Oh, she lost me money.
How officer like you, they help woman carry back to your boots?
No, this woman be say I help him bail her son for office. He come because that her son the offense too much. Offense is because say this one, hey, this person will help me bail my son. Back at he just lost me money. That's what he give me.
How the bailing son and the helping person put bag inside boots, how the two take relate?
Shall don't beg me now. Forget about this one now. Forget about that today. Shall don't beg me to make you forgive me. You see the kind of confusion. That chapter where I said the money take come. Close up. Don't talk about again. Shall you don't forgive me, Abi? About that money where you help me save. Go bring them.
Which money?
The one where you save now. Where you beside forgive Lucy. Where you help me.
Okay. That money.
Rushing back.
Okay, I don't put that for fixed deposit account for you for future use.
Chino, which cannot save this time? What the money? The money. The one they talk now, like the money where you tell me say you help me save. Where I won't give Lucy. Where you help me save Dodge. I don't want they talk. Just go.
Okay. Now what kind of talk? I don't put that for fixed deposit.
Now the same thing what I tell you now. Now the same thing what I tell you now. Which can I don't beg you now?
For future use.
Which one future use? The money where you collect nah. You don't get a for deposit.
If I don't put that there, you go future, but now you go spend that money. No go help us again.
The money where that now. Which one we got now?
Beat me again now.
Sorry. I know they beat you, but you won't kill me. Which guy was that? No. Kill me now. Who's
Papa, you go walk.
Is it?
You go walk.
No, I know they go farm. I go farm, make I go bring something I go take kill you. Idiot. You see me inside they prepare. They wear shoe. He ask me, he don't come out. I go to work. He won't make I stay here with you. So that at the end of the day, government go sack me for work.
You know better make the government sack you. Even the government when they sack yourself, he better say those government too. Then sack them.
No better make government sack me. Make government sack me.
Yes, nah. Even the government, when they sack the government, because I don't know why you go to work for government. They don't pay you any money. So it's why I know you. When you start this work, the only thing where you achieve for this life, and this your pogoro shoe and your bike where they cut chain every time. The only thing where you don't achieve, not saying that you buy everything when they just I never see you for one day use your money buy something. Even clothes, what they wear, shoe, chairs, whether for inside, stove, nothing where you use your money buy. Now either you tell me say na your grandpapa or na your great grandpapa liver or na your grandmother. That's all your story. Everything about it is history.
So now I see that life now. They here now deny me. Say no, buy this cloth for you.
If you buy, I make us know. If that you buy this coat, make I know.
So if I buy
You know they buy clothes for me.
If I buy for this, you deny them.
You know they buy
This
clothes
is what
for
I
me.
buy for you. That
You
time
don't
I
buy any clothes.
No
Never
problem.
buy since they born me. Never buy clothes.
Wait. I think you don't agree. I beg you yesterday. I beg you yesterday. I didn't hear and I hear you. Yes, I beg you yesterday. Tell you sorry. Look, make the water all the time. Make all this. You agree. You even tell me sorry. But then go carry this nonsense again this morning. Come with this sauce again. Make we begin quarrel.
I forget. No vex. No vex, sir. Sorry, sir. I know we don't. But it's not say me too. We also agree say if you see that stupid girl say you no go stop and you no talk and no go to talk again. Shobi?
No, but the hell, anything where we agree now.
Oh yeah, nah.
What you go complete this one now?
Sorry, sir.
Come to the night clothes what I buy for you.
Sorry, sir. What they go?
I better keep this safe for inside. I don't get tired.
Sorry, sir. They go.
Keep this one. Don't take care of
Walk
yourself.
well, sir.
Oh.
Good luck, sir.
It's alright.
I wish you success, sir. I wish you many money, sir.
If we don't like this, we'll not go to quarrel.
Yes, sir.
It's alright. Take care of yourself, yeah?
Okay, sir.
No.
Bye-bye, sir. Plan B executed. Because SARS will pay the come to SARS. Now they come. Una well done. Make una dey clap for ourselves. Una well done. Well done, mass. Well done, mass. Mamas. Now by this time una dey come work. Mamas. You, ma'am. Oh, ma'am. Mama chikote one.
We've been seeing your papa for room, so we said
That one no be excuse.
no verse.
One. I don't know what I go do. I know be na ma'am. I know be na ma'am original. Come on, salute me, greet me.
Well done, ma. Shama.
Yeah, we will start already. I can give una uniform. We will start work. Make we start work sharp. Make una ginger. Papa.
Really? Yes.
No, talk.
No talk. What do you mean no talk?
I want make we talk before you come out.
Go inside. Go and bring my shirt. I'm running late. When I come back,
make we talk. Make we talk now.
Go inside, go back, make we talk. Go back, go inside.
You no go like listen to wetin I dey talk. You know say if I dey talk all this, you go dey think say I dey talk nonsense. Make we talk now. You don't just say you are running late. I'm late. If you come back now, you say I'm tired. Make we talk and now. You get one important thing I want.
Make we talk. So, is it on this house that we are staying together? So if I go back and come back from the work and we talk that discussion, will you die? Will you die?
I know I'm saying this thing, though. I know I'm saying. Make we talk this thing for once before you come out now.
Don't fire you there. Go inside and get me by this side. I'm running late.
I know I'm telling you this thing.
But go inside. Idiot.
Make we talk am now. Make we talk am now.
Chile! Where is the shirt now? I'm running late. Go to Maruponya Bikono. Yes, which side are they now? Which side? Okay. No. You see me now. I'm ready. I'm dressed. Can you borrow this girl? Chile, get my shirt. Now, what kind of woman is this? Huh? Chile! This girl, what is it? Where is your Chile? Father and daughter. It's easy. If you go in there, on top of the cupboard, that's my water. Chile. Did you see it? Bravo. Huh? You know, I love using this particular one because all those nonsense that they do these days and call it toothpick. Those people, I always know that the manufacturers are idiots.
So, Papa?
No. You know why I kept this thing? Because I normally it only pick that go to the innermost where in places in my teeth to pick out those particles. That's why I keep it. So after this one now, after this use that, you still gonna keep it there.
So you don't chop finish, Abby?
Thank you so much for this wonderful day. Thank you so much.
Now talk when I be want to talk with you in the morning. When they rush me say I'm late. Make we talk now this night. Because I tell you say if you come back, you go tell me I'm tired. Make we talk now. Don't tell me say you are tired though. Chile. This food what chop now. You never even want make it allow the food make it digest. You don't carry this topic come now. Make it what make this food what chop now digest now. Now, Shebi now you talk say in the morning say you are late. So now make we talk. Because I talk about that say if you come back now you gonna tell me say you are tired. Yes, I'm talk about now. But allow the food what chop now make it digest now. Okay. Kai. Oh. Make it digest more. Make we talk. You don't digest. Make we talk. At least. Allow the food, make it. The food never even go. I'm not saying you go give us. Make it digest. You don't digest. Make I give you water, make it digest. I know they like this thing. You too they prolong issues. I know they like them. Make I give you water, make you drink. Now you make you know that the front face they do. Cow. What is this now? Okay, fine. Oh yeah. What? Tell me. Talk nothing. Because I don't decide that if you don't talk about if you die, you know they prepare to die. Talk and make you not die. Talk am. Make I hear that when they told me this morning. Everybody they do in the morning, they go back to come out, go work or go to different places. Wait. Make I stop you. I hope say no be insult. No be insult. No,
Make we talk am now.
no be insult now. Make I talk.
It's alright.
Everybody they do in the morning, they go bath, go walk, or go to different places. Every pikin is supposed to bath, go school. Why my own different? No be say at the day for us to go say every day the day have the chop food, or every day they have the watch TV. TV no day. The one where they make sense at all. Nothing at all. Every day I just there for after this. They look myself they look me. So now why I know they go school? I no go school. I no get future. I go make a start now the talk. I go make
I don't hear what you talk, but wait, I want correct one impression. You get something where you talk here now, we no good. No be food will finish now. I go talk say, go just there every day, go just there house. I don't go chop. Don't be chop, you chop now.
The chop why I chop now? Swear say that chop now belly full you.
He belly for me. He belly for because if today you no belly for me, I'm gonna tell you.
He belly full you because the food don't finish for pot. Now why you belly full you?
What do they cook for this house? Don't be cook today, chop today.
Okay.
Cook,
that one aside.
Chop, cook another one tomorrow.
I want make sure say I go make up for life because say my papa dey poor. No me say me I go dey poor. I go make up, I go school. I go make up.
But you don't believe say that one when you talk say you know the chop, say you the chop. We don't correct our
I don't know make up me will leave on my side.
Okay. that thing where you think now, when they make you know they go school, eh? Me, I don't think I'm too. I know.
But it be that now. Stop that thing where you do.
Come on!
Stop it.
Stop what? You don't want? Now what? Oh, you don't want me, Abi? So they enter my teeth and they come out and they tell me to make I stop am. Make I leave am. Go So okay. If something enter your teeth, you don't go come out and they tell me stop am.
Okay.
See, that's the way you talk now, eh? Me, I don't listen them too. I don't think, but I don't think anything. No solution at all. You know why? The salary.
Nah, they do this thing.
I don't know.
They do this thing now.
The salary why they get. The salary why they get. Not they even reach me and you to chop. Let's say school enter up. If school fees now enter the budget of the salary when they give me, when me and you take the job now, what I will come do now? Let me say that debt now. Eh? And moreover, fact, make I just tell you the truth. Moreover, you know good as I did now, I know say to train girl child for school now waste. I'm telling you. Because you go suffer finish. This is why they go. Every time I go walk. Most times I go come back, some go hammer me. Most times I go carry my machine back before you know it go cut chain. I go drag them. They drag them. Heat go they cover for my nose. People go to this I get kata. Don't make kata and I heat. Sweat. When I use that finish, I can't train you. You can't go school. Do everything before you know it then you come marry. If a man begin fighting now for marriage because I don't fight, I don't plan them since. If you don't see man, make I find man for you. At the end of the day, when the man marry you, you don't finish you. The only thing I will ever get for this life, and the thing they pay me, kai, what they go to say, hey, won't marry your daughter. What they give me that kai, Woo! He end. You know you go transfer my name, you go begin answer that man name.
No, make I talk because this is where you talk now. It hits me for my head.
Hey, I talk and make the hit your head.
You see this nonsense where you talk now, nonsense it be. You see this nonsense where you talk now. What thing make if begin grow, if daughters, all of them, if they make up for this life, they don't go ever remember their papa. They don't go ever remember their papa. Nothing. Other people they build house for their mama. They build people. They do this thing. They do, go to una. They don't go ever remember una. You see una. If I ever become the president or governor in this life, whether my state or this country, if I ever become the president, you know what I go do? Any man will say you don't go train in girl child, say you don't go put her for school. If that girl child make her for life, go use that money, go train the papa, or say they build house for the papa, or say they give the papa money for hospital bill. If I hear am, I go send my soldiers, they go come pick am, arrest am, go beat am well. Go remind am when he's small. Whether him papa train am for school.
Wait,
I don't go even touch the papa. What did I go do to talk?
Wait, chill.
I go dey arrest them.
Wait, this is where they talk now. Now style. Now me they tell.
And are you now?
Now me they tell.
If I grow and make money, I don't go remember. If I remember you, make my name no be Chile again.
Oh, for all the suffer, why they suffer for 8 days?
Which suffer?
You don't do it fine. No one.
Yes.
Don't worry.
Because why you don't go try your daughter?
You don't do now. Don't worry. I go squeeze out money for the salary. I go try. They put me to at least. I go try manage. Enroll you, make you start from primary 2. What if that way they look way? Start from primary 2 now.
No, who you want me? Which class I stop school? Which class? Who you want me for primary 2? Which class?
Yeah, you know.
It be like you go like wahala.
No, they take wahala.
No, it be like you go like wahala. This papa, it be like you go like wahala.
Chile, me and you know say you don't overgrown to go to school. Oh. You don't even have to say I put it for. Okay, make I tell you say make you start from primary 1. Yeah? Yeah, you know say you don't
Papa, if you talk am, you go to school yourself. Oh. I know they look face. If you talk am, you go to school yourself.
Okay, Chile. But like wahala, I might come beg you yesterday.
Hey, okay. Primary 2.
Me and you know say you don't overgrown to go to school. But because say one thing lead to the other. Maybe the ones where you don't do before you don't forget that. Make you start from primary 2. Okay, if the other say make you start from primary 1, come.
You go there, go study here for me. I swear to God, I don't go remember saying my papa. You go there, go to school.
It's alright, no problem. I will make it up to you. Make we talk about that fixed deposit. That money when you fixed deposit. Because I know we will do that. That fixed deposit when you fix that time, when you say you put up for fixed deposit. Now why I need the money?
It's still there.
You see, bring that. Maybe school they talk about.
Should I tell you that for future use?
Now the future use this one. I'll say you maybe future use this one.
We never reach future now.
What kind of future? Okay, the future use now. Now when you die, make I use to bury you.
No. Now me go use the money bury because no be insult. You know say you go die first. You go first me die. And now I no get uncle.
Oh Lord!
We go help me bury you.
Now the thing with the plan for me.
But actually, you give me uncle, you show me who my uncle be, you show me who my aunt be, I get cousin. If you die now, who go take care of you? Who go pay your bill? Who go bury you?
Okay, now the plan we get for me.
Who go dey spray money for burial? Nobody.
No wonder.
Nobody. Burial go just dey empty. Nobody.
Who tell you say that me go first you die?
Because if my papa you
Don't shut up! With your mouth swag now. What is this now? Okay, let me go first. Oh, now your plan be this.
I know they insult you, not be my plan. You know, sure, I don't get uncle now. If you die, who go they spray money?
They spray much money?
Burial go just dey empty. Nobody go spray money. Nobody go do as a mama. Nobody go drink.
Make I ask you the spray money. How much be this money when they talk that way? If you 20,000.
No, you go they grow. You know the understand. I go they take more. They put there. You go they grow.
You go they take more from where?
From where I take the 20,000.
Go, shut up. Go, choose that from this place. Idiot.
Choose that. You're good though. You go there.
You don't want to choose that. You don't want to choose that. Let me choose that for you. Because I find out that you're a troublemaker. If not for one thing, you should have die.
But
see, let me tell you because
I
just look you. You never can tell what happened.
Okay.
Just mama, this night that you enter, mama, you know wake up again.
Mama, tell me you see who you carry me go drop for your hand. You just say now. Let's stop on there sort ourselves. Mama, Papa and Pikin no.
I don't blame you.
See Papa and Pikin there is.
I don't blame you at all. See, person why they here beg finish. Make we be love of father and daughter. Daughter will fire you. Idiot.
Person go die, they go casket. Go they look me, I go they look at who go bury you, who go even buy the casket for you. Not be the money one they save now, go use bury you. Not be money one they you save now, I go use do as a mama for your burial. Now this man be the witch within my life. Now him be witch where I get for this life. Don't worry. Just no worry, no problem. No one make I go school happy. The one where you want even make I go, now basic 2, primary 2. Where you know see me, my eye they up. For this age, where I go they think high. They carry me go back. Voila. I go make am o. I go make am and I go show you say I fit make am for this life without you. Nonsense. I should do something. Because if I don't act fast now, my papa will spoil something for me. I don't get educational background, no knowledge, no property, nothing. I can't do something. I can't do something. If I want clothes, I go tell them. Nobody say you go even buy and when they spend money for girlfriend. I need to start up my own business. So, since my papa an officer, I feel using I use an influence now. I go use an influence as my officer too. I go say me too. I be our officer. Want things for this village. It go help me. I beg I get this idea. I go use them. Idea no go keep me for this life. No me again, master planner. Not true. Not true. It's not a bad idea. Master planner. The Odogu planner. I think now these stupid girls go be important. I go use them do my workers, co-workers. I go say my co-workers, go and meet my co-workers. As my papa they work for city, I they work for village. Bad idea. Officer, Chile, stand there. Come on. Work starts. To say you get sense. See, I know say you gonna feel like say I no like you. But if you check out true for this house now, if God just say make you open everybody's hearts, you gonna know say the person will even like you pass for this house now me. I like you die. I swear to God. Now me like you pass. But you just be like, say, they use something to cover your eyes. See, let me tell you something. My papa don't tell me, say, he don't like you again, no. But he no as he will take tell you. So now me, now make I just they give you small sign, but they grab them. My papa say, he don't like you, he just they give you small attitude, but they grab them, they even say some. So now why me, God saying, why this kind of fine girl? But they useless her life for women apart. Why you go to waste your time for women apart? Person know they like you, person know like you, they get the signal. They know say this person don't like you. Now try they tell you, I swear. You don't tell me say don't tire for you. You suppose they give them small time, they give them gap, no they too much available for them. You get? He say don't tire. Say you still no get sense. Say if you get sense, suppose sense and say he no like you again. But this time when they waste around my partner, you suppose use them now, go around your house, use them do tangible things, make your mother proud. You understand? But no, there's a foolish shop for my partner. Me self don't tire for you. No, besides, I don't go hate you. All of us are human beings. I don't hate you.
Wait. So you mean your father told you all of this?
Yes, now I go to talk with you, I don't know. I know what they talk with, I don't know.
Someone that I'm even managing with his poverty.
Abi.
He said all this.
Abi. Zubby. You don't come for me. Your mama, your cruise. Let me do you. At least you don't clear for road now. You can also now only my papa at the face.
Chile. See these 200. We do one or two things. See where I keep them. See where I keep them for here. Take. We do one or two things together. Use and put one or two things together.
My uniform day. I start to walk. CHIOMA. Copra. Oh, what's that? Copra Chile. Chosa. Attention. I called to my girls when they call me Ma. Mom? Yes, Mom. Mom, oh, original Mom. So, make us start walk. Stay today and walk. Wait, my uniform. Wait, make an iron my face.
I won't buy banana.
Wow.
What's it up?
No problem.
That one na 500.
You don't get papers.
No, they get paper now. So we no get paper.
You don't get paper. Oh yeah, now. Pack and go one side. Look on a pack. Oh yeah, drop on one side.
I never sell market.
Come on, yeah, come on. Give me that stick.
I never sell market. Now just they come out now.
Come out. I go eat your head. Come out or you pay.
I no get money.
What?
I never sell now.
Come out.
Where your banana?
So slap you. Take. You tell me before you take that thing. Bring one.
Ordinary security don't turn to officer. Yeah. Water don't pass a Gary. Even sumo moto big engine don't join them too. Yeah. Water don't pass a Gary. Up one elegant, he go come back for night. Na so stories a bit too young. This one na hustle a been a scam. The more you look, the less you see. Within my eyes, see, I know we talk about. Hey, this one is serious. Ordinary security don't turn to officer. Yeah, what I don't pass a Gary. Even sumo moto big engine don't join.
Hey, come over. Fast. Fast. Where will they come from? And what will be this thing now? Nah, farm tools.
Yes. Me and my boyfriend, we just come back from farm.
Hold it.
Where the papers for this farm tools? In fact, first of all, make I introduce ourselves, give one. My name is Corporal Chile, and these are my colleagues. So, we're posted in this community for a reason. We got an information about this community, this village. So we came to do stop and search. Anybody will see, will stop you and search you. So now we're starting from, we have been here since morning, we have been working since morning, quite alright, right? We've been working. So now, people have to show us the receipt of this farm tools you are holding.
Haba. Officer. Are you expecting us to be going to the farm with receipts?
I'm not asking if you are coming back from farm. I'm asking about the papers, the receipt of these tools. If you don't have, let me give you these options. It's very clear and good. For your own good though. It's either you pay us to open case file for you. Number 2, or we arrest you.
Case file na 5,000.
Pay or bring your particulars.
You don't have to pay or bring your particulars.
Ordinary case file.
Ordinary case. Now that ordinary go see carry you go prison for lifetime. You know how many people will not arrest today because of this small 5,000? Where would they even tell some people 10,000 safe?
Hey, officer, no vex, I beg. That prison where you... No, I beg. No. Officer, I beg.
I beg. You beg for money. I don't understand.
No.
You beg us.
Why officer no dey shout?
You know they see food chop.
Officer no dey shout.
Sometimes no be say I want chop am o.
I say no
vex. For office or headquarters.
No vex, na beg. See, I beg. See, carry me go prison. My love, you know the year wetin dey talk. I get small money where we work for job where we go. No vex.
Bring a mat.
I did see that woman. You don't see that woman never pay us for that work where we go. Where this money from come?
When you dey come back from? Which money they pay you? They ask you. Make I go prison. You stand for that, they open eye like ice fish. You know they talk.
What do you want make I do?
Okay.
What do you want make I do?
Just they watch open eye like ice fish.
Your boyfriend be that?
No, my boyfriend.
That's why you the boyfriend be that? This one not your boyfriend.
No, my boyfriend.
So this kind of boyfriend then go marry you, keep you for house. They go to expect make you they cook, they feed the family, they hustle, they do everything. They train the children. They go just relax, the chop food. They blame you. Now this kind of people.
No,
yes, you
don't go be like that.
To save yourself. In the year, they look you. Someone collect the money from you. Mad? You don't mad before? You don't see me somewhere before?
Officer, no verse, I beg, calm down. At times, that's what they do.
Well, get out. See, make I give you this rule. Anytime where you see and say he cheat on you, come report that to me. I go arrest her.
Okay.
I go arrest her.
That one.
When I hear say he cheat on you,
okay.
report am give
Hey, that one where you talk follow.
But if you not tell me on time, if I hear him outside first, I go arrest you, Joy.
I go report.
Wait. So now because of ordinary titi, you go take arrest me.
Don't call him ordinary cheating, sir. Ordinary cheating.
Interesting, I see.
Officer, thank you. Officer, thank you.
You talk say you no get money, but you don't see officer bring that money now.
Not be money where we work.
Where would they go house?
No, make she carry me go prison.
Where would they go house?
Make she carry me go prison.
Where would they go house?
I beg me.
Where would they go?
Make she carry me go prison. You, why you not talk? When in the talk saying go carry me go prison, why you not talk? Because of 5K.
He reached 5K now. He reached 5K. Liars. Say no get money. He reached 5K. I better go buy me suya. Go buy me suya.
See, I shot this night. Give me my own.
They mad.
Corporal.
Where your barrette?
CHIOMA.
I come out my own, you come out.
No. Copper.
No, I don't give you test, no. Put that test for my own part. No, I don't give you any test. Come back here now, who go come do the work with me?
Copper. No vest.
My share for me.
Abeg, give me switch, abeg. Oh, sorry, Maurice. How much? Don't make me vex, that's why.
Like that.
Yes. He's the one.
Okay.
This is the man that is sitting on you.
You are under arrest for beating and cheating on this fine girl with somebody that is father than her.
Officer, that girl is not fine, no, at all.
You don't mean it? She's not fine.
At all.
So why did you cheat on her?
Amaka, Akunya na woman again attending privately. How will you report this thing to the officers of the law now? This is something we are just doing privately now.
Relationship never enter marriage. Don't they beat her? They mishandle her. To the station.
Bro, sorry.
To the station.
Stop wasting our time.
See, let me tell you, this thing is a harmless arrest. We just need your write-up.
Okay, because it's a boyfriend and girlfriend matter. Just write up.
Even if you not write up, I will go and call my father that is the upper.
Chai! Ami, you arrested me for love. Chai! Oh, just. That girl. I just pressed, I saw.
Ordinary security don't turn to officer.
This is something you and I mean, baby. But you said that it's not about Fuma now. Why are you doing this thing to me? You said I'm good at my job. Please now, this is embarrassing.
You are mad though. Should now is embarrassing, but when you be beating her or cheating on her, it's not embarrassing. If you one more word from, in fact, anything you say or do here will be used against you in the court of law.
Follow them and go.
I'm not I'm sharing this now. I'm going to 2 minutes.
Oga, shut up.
Hey.
Anything you say here will be used against you in the court of law, court of judiciary.
Water don't pass a Gary. Even sumo moto big engine don't join them too. Water don't pass a Gary. Up one elegere, he go come back for night. And so story.
What is his name? Put the name there. Payable. Okay. Payable. What's up?
What is his name? His name? Can't you talk? I am asking you a question. Open your mouth and talk. What is his name?
Madam, I say make you put Payable there. No, the yes. Payable. What is that?
Officer, please, can you help me release him, please?
What? Come again.
Please help me and release him, please. Officer, please don't release him for me.
No. Look me well. This is how they play with you. Don't that fire you before. So why you can't call me when they're busy? Make I go arrest your boyfriend when they cheat to the beat on you. Now you say make me come carry him. Nah. So we don't know we enter here.
Now just now.
So you dey mad? Now play. Now children play with the play here. Madam. Nah. You come meet me say make we come arrest your boyfriend. Say they beat you, they cheat on you. Nah. We carry and enter inside. Nah. You come tell me say make I release him. Don't do you for your head.
Officer, I know what he did was wrong, but he's sorry, officer. I'm missing him already. Please, officer. Whatever is the cost, I will pay, please.
Okay, so what's it make you say make you come arrest her? No, make you just make you settle and make him now. What's it make you say make her come arrest her?
It was a mistake. I'm sorry, please.
Aye.
Officer,
come inside. Come inside, follow me.
Eh?
Follow up.
All this is your fault. All this is your fault. It's your fault.
Just calm down, yeah? Don't mind her. She's just deceiving herself. Don't worry. Amaka, wait for me. Amaka, wait now. Why are you walking so fast?
Just said this before. No, okay. If you see what you go through, no. She can't call us saying make we go arrest the boyfriend. Say the boyfriend they beat her every time. They cheat on her. No. Why can't they come inside now? Call the crash say
Everywhere. Just
that's why she go carry the name and go outside. Go they tell people say I arrest the boyfriend. They don't go know say that she tell me make I arrest them. They go think say they do bad things.
calm down.
No, the thing they vex me. They vex that smart thing they vex me. Big thing no fit vex me, but you see that smart one of the vex me. Then they vex me.
Don't calm down. Sorry. Don't do. Mad people everywhere. Stress. No.
What the heck?
Calm down. Copper.
Like what the heck?
Copper. Calm down. Slow.
You never see customer since. Maybe you don't arrest.
You no come today. No customer. No see customer. No day.
But you never arrest anybody since.
No see anybody.
Nobody come.
No see anybody since.
I mean, you just sleep.
I go sleep when I dey on duty. I go take sleep. Copper. See now. Then come I go show you. Come see. Come see. Copper. See no one.
I go use this book and I slap now.
Sorry.
Amaka, stop calling me. Amaka!
What's it?
Amaka, wait for me now. Why are you walking so fast, eh? Why are you leaving me behind?
Why? I don't even know what is wrong with me. I don't know why I'm so selfish to myself and to him. I shouldn't have done this in the first place. I should have just endured the pain and blame him later. Now everything has escalated.
Amaka, I've told you to calm down. Calm down. Sooner or later, everything will be fine. Trust me. You know I can't possibly mislead you. Hope you know that.
And it's because of your advice. That's why I'm in this mess now.
Me. Amaka. Huh. Or are you missing him already?
I'm even standing here talking to this one.
Amaka, please wait for me now. Why are you shaking your bum for me now? Amaka!
Chile! Come on, Chile, did you hear me call your name?
No. I don't hear you call my name. I just heard person they shout Chile. Now you they call me.
Hi! Just the person they go they call them. What did I mean they call them? Chile? How many times did I call you now?
3 times. Is there any problem?
Yes! There is problem.
What's the problem?
There is problem because it seems that you're no longer hearing with your ear. You're not hearing with animal's ear. And I doubt you will ever recover from it.
But tell us I hear what you talk. I don't like.
No, how you go hear? When we say you hang your carry your ear, go hang for forest. And then be moving around.
They make you do baby body like this. You just come back from work. What did they do? You wear your back. They make on the back and they make you the game.
If you ask me that question, you see. Idiot, you have provoked me. What is all this now? Is it that you're supposed to ask me where's my bike? Where is it that you're supposed to ask me that nonsense question? See, I'm very angry. Don't even ask me that bike again because you don't provoke me. After you have provoked me to the highest, idiot! Don't ever ask me that nonsense again. That bike cut chain on the way.
Why you no go
that nonsense bike and they cut the chain.
Why you no go
In fact,
cut chain?
I am happy that I left it there.
Bike where your grandpapa live before he die. Your papa use am die. You too, you dey use am. I beg, if you dey die, carry am die. I no want use am.
If I slap you. See, as I did now, I'm very hungry. I'm very hungry. Go and get my food.
Which food? Which food, sir?
What do you mean, which food, sir?
Which food? Now you don't give me money cook food today. You don't forget. You don't give me money cook food today. You just want to come out.
Chile, don't tell me that you did not cook anything. Then why are you in the house all day?
Nothing.
I'm waiting for this house all day without
I know that you plan somewhere for me make a go. Calm down. Come, you never dey fight. Calm down. Oh, you just dey come back for work. Make you no stress yourself. Make you no give yourself headache. Sir, you no give me money for food today. I been letting say when I don't dey eat for office where you dey work. Now make you no dey give me money before you go work. As you dey comot this morning, you just comot. You no give me money for food at all. Yeah. Maybe you don't forget. Now old age, sorry, so no vex.
Who is this idiot? Who is this guy?
I be celeb.
How did I come to know you? Because this nonsense attitude that you are portraying, I don't know where it came from. I am not like you. You are not like me.
You are my father, sir.
I am not your father.
I be celeb for this village. I dey cash out on a daily baby. I dey cash out on a steady. On a steady baby. I dey cash out. I be your daughter.
I can't give me to me again.
Daddy, I love you so much. I love you so much.
Come here.
Ordinary security don't turn to officer. Yeah. Water don't pass a Kadiri. Even small motor big engine don't join them too. Yeah. Water don't pass a Kadiri.
Officer! Officer!
Chilo, come. What is going on here?
Good evening, sir.
I don't understand. What do you mean good evening, sir? Who are you people? How did you come in here?
Isn't it your daughter? She arrested us and she keeps speaking one English that until the court of jurisdiction grant our release that we will not go out.
My daughter Chile arrested you people here. How?
Because of you people are officers of the using your power.
Shut up! You're a criminal. It is written all over you. Criminal. Wait, you mean my daughter arrested you people? Kept you here? For how long? And what were your offenses?
For the past 3 days, me and my girlfriend, we just had small misunderstanding, just because I say let me test the fucker. Then she reported the matter to her. Then that is how we landed here.
For 3 days? If I may ask, what were your offenses?
I said, me and my girlfriend, I did something with another girl. Not like it was serious.
Well, are you dissented?
Ozirewu.
Huh? Ojewu. And they actually had the boss to arrest you people without me knowing it. Where Chile?
God, you are officer, you
shut up! If I hear him, you will tell me how you get in here. Because this nonsense that you are saying here is cock and bull story. Chile!
They have to come and release me.
Chile!
Even small motor engine don't join them too.
Wait, Papa, what happened? What happened?
What is guy if you survive it, come bastard? Come, Chile. What is going on under my nose that I'm not aware of?
What is going on under your nose? What's be that now? You know go talk.
Don't just pretend as if you don't know what I'm talking about. Who are the people that you locked up their offenses. Eh? Come on, do you know that you are committing an offense that is called impersonation? Are you aware that you are portraying a very big, huge crime under humanity and you can be jailed for it? Are you aware?
Wow. So now because of this small thing where happen now, you don't speak big grammar. You don't remember saying go school. Relax. Now me they in charge. Relax.
You are a buffalo.
Relax.
A very big idiot.
Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Not say you officer. Calm down. Now me they in charge. This one will happen. Now me they in charge. Calm down.
Oh, is it me that you are telling relax?
Papa, relax.
You know what? Come. How much did you collect from them?
Papa, money dey this village. Money yapa. If you say you go listen to me, you leave that officer working to do for city. God don't make money for this village. I swear to God.
For real?
You will like her. Go cash out badly.
Wait, let me understand. You collected a very big amount of money from them.
Won't make a spell amount for you. You see this village? Money yakpa. Like money yakpa for this village. People get money for this village. Not be that small. That nonsense what they do for city where they pay how much. When nothing they come out. Come here, come do business. Two of us go look eye down. They work, they collect this money. Money they. We will demolish this building, build firehouse, buy cars. No.
So all this thing now, they tell me now, prove to me, say you collect for them. You know what's going to happen now? You are going to provide all the money like you have collected from those people.
Why?
Then you can now sit down and then talk about the business. Talk about why. What do you mean why?
Why? My money not my money. Why?
Your money? Are you mad?
The work now.
What do you mean? This is my house. You have to go to lock. Bring me. Are you going to give me the money?
No.
I go bring her. Take me there. Let's just go there together. Naja. Can you imagine? Move it. Can you imagine? You're telling me my money not my money. Who are you? Who are you to tell me my money not my money? How much have you made since you came into this world? See my money not my money. Yeah? What are we doing here?
Let me go bring cutlass.
Come. You think go. Did you see any sign of laughter on my face? Which cutlass? You see, you understand me? My friend, you think I'm talking? Come on, use whatever. Chile, what like? 9. What is it 9? My friend? Jesus Christ! Chineke! Allah! Chile! So, come! Chile, you mean you buried this huge amount of money for grand? Eh? How were you able to do it? No, Jesus! Jide! Can you imagine? This girl is so impossible. You are so impossible. Come. How manage you were able to convince these people to collect this kind of amount of money from them? How, Chile? How were you able to convince you?
A strategy. I use it to they call strategy. I strategized them.
Are you serious?
I go use you. And I can't even show that your uniform, that kind of your uniform. Then they use the do officer, fake officer. Then they say, I don't under you. They do my own business. You know, I tell you, say that your 20K invest them, I put them for fixed deposits. Say you go later germinate. And that place now, I use and put the uniform, and the uniform don't they give me plenty money when they terminate like this.
Okay.
And the investment be that one.
Okay, that 20,000 what you say they fix. I help the fixed deposit. Oh, and you don't terminate true. So you use your papa influence to obtain things. They obtain things for this village. Idiego Chile. Oh, hey. Yeah, how manage? Lord, if I can't come out your face. No, you talk that future. They bring up for future. You don't terminate that. You don't grow.
Hey, you go give me my own share.
Opuanya. Eh? And then those people, what you put for sale, what will be their fate?
You're supposed to stay there for 3 days, but I will just release them. Make we start our new pattern. We will launch our new pattern business.
But who you do the computer? New pattern. I like this new pattern, so that we will launch our new pattern. You know what? Do this one. Oh, this one now. It is my money. After all, you said you fish deposit it, so it has grown. Yeah, all this money is my money. Because you fish deposited them for me. No, all this one. All this one, all of them. What is that? That one is 500. This one is. You know, if I collect my 20,000, then they multiply. The one way you multiply, and because then I may get the money, you fix them for me. Hold that one.
So me will come bring the new pattern idea. What will come be my fate? You don't do.
You pattern. Nobody talk about you pattern now. You talk too much. What are you going to do with that money? Fine, give me that money. Give me that money. Over. The goat. Have you kept it? Huh? As in well. Okay. Chile.
Even the fufu.
Fufu?
No.
Fufu? Madam, this fufu, does it have receipt? Fufu, let's do something meaningful.
Officer.
Hey!
Officer.
Yam! Chile! Yam! Madam, where the receipt of this yam?
The receipt?
Yes.
For yam? I just come from market.
Okay, me receipt for yam. I'm gonna tell you. If you bring the receipt to the office, you collect your yam.
Okay. Info, officer.
Madam, respect yourself.
I beg. I just come from market. Hey.
Hey, Papa, let me take this thing now. Buy for me.
Buy what? You see what? Actually, come. Madam, all these things are no receipt. Collect it. Carry the whole Ghana. Carry it.
Hey. Jesus.
Good.
Hey.
Good.
My market. Officer, I beg now. Hey. Officer, I beg.
Put it in your pocket
now.
Put it
I just come for market.
Hey. When the receipt? When you bring the receipt to the office, you carry your yam and there.
Hey.
Forget that. In fact, madam, the only yam. Forget about this one.
Hey. Hey, oh Jesus. Hey, officer, I beg now.
Officer, for one guy.
Hey. Jesus. Hey.
I don't like this cup. Not this cup. You know, say most times they take up from bottle. Not the best.
That's how we enjoy money now. We enjoy money. No, but that's more nonsense business way to do.
Abi, my brain. I like this your pattern. I like it.
Don't just quit me. Give me business mindset.
But I be asking you, I make you put meat. Now buy meat put, then they go buy ordinary drink.
Meat
no
the
meat.
Meat the cup.
Hey. My phone they ring. I believe this phone they ring and I think be sent out from my office.
Pick up now, Defia. Pick up and say no they work again.
That's
not.
But they tell me they work again. Abi?
Yes. What plane?
Hello? Hello? Who? Oh, Inspector Bala, my man. How far now? See, I did not come to work today because I have signed out. Oh. You don't understand the meaning of say I don't sign out? Okay, fine. Let me just break it down for you. I have retired myself from the force. And then, let me tell you, you people should not bother for my pension. Don't forget about pension. Don't just keep it. You see, don't worry. By the time, from now till 2, 3, 4 months, you understand. Bye. Idiot.
Good.
Can you imagine?
It's good like that.
Let me say
Clear them.
Let me say.
Are we safe? What is going on?
What is good about the day? No, what is good about the afternoon? See, let me tell you. I hope you people came with the money I will ask you to come with. Huh? Because your goat has no license on the body.
Officer, how my goat? How license consign goat body again?
Oh, let me ask question. Let me ask question. Don't fire you're questioning an officer of the law.
Senior officer.
Come. Do you want me to take your mother to the divisional headquarters? They will charge you to court and put you in the prison.
Officer, sorry.
Come on, see, let me tell you. Bail is free. But you see that goat, you must pay that goat because he has no license on the body.
Officer, what should I say? I go pay my goat now. What should I say?
Don't fire you. Are you questioning me? You want to teach me my job, yeah?
Officer, sorry.
You want to teach me? Are you paying the money or not? Sorry.
Oh, okay.
Come. Yes, what's your case?
Officer, the only bicycle my late father left for me, you people took it away that it doesn't have ordinary paper.
Can you
Who's two people?
Can you imagine?
Senior officer and colleague. You're calling ordinary. Ordinary paper. You are mad? Are you mad?
Madam, sorry.
Bicycle that does not have receipts. Bicycle that your old grandpapa give for you before you die. Now you call bicycle.
Was it bicycle have been a foul?
Bicycle without receipt.
Was it bicycle have been a foul?
Or even people they call stolen product. Bicycle now, bicycle.
Bicycle.
Stolen product. If I carry you go higher authority, now how much you go pay? And they will still arrest you. Just.
Arrest you? You pay? You still pay the money and still serve the
officer. Sorry.
Are you paying the money or not? Sorry. What is
but wait, though. How much be this my money sef wey make the shot like this? How much be this my money?
Good. Because of your humility and the time wasted.
Hey, this one a serious story. Ordinary security don't
give us 20,000 naira.
Officer,
what is officer?
20,000.
Kawagaja, what is 20,000? Come. Are you bring this one or not?
Sorry. Officer, 20,000.
You are shouting. Oh, you are shouting. You want me to increase it? It's like we make it 50,000.
Sorry.
Officer, how much is my own money?
Your own money because it is old bicycle, not all this white horse bicycle. It's old. You will give us 10,000. 10,000 joking. 10,000.
Jesus.
Officer. 20,000, 10,000.
Yes, your own. Yes.
Officer, what about my yam? You people took from the store this morning.
Okay, madam, what of the money when we ask you to make you bring?
Okay,
for the yam.
I just open store. I never said this morning. I just open store.
But I just go. See, I don't go best for you.
No.
The one that the worst. You see that yam. If by the end of today the yam no come with the pen, you go just come here and see the yam for our table with the chop am.
Okay, I never said. I just open store before I come this morning. I beg. I never said.
But I better shift this side. But this man, you are not corrupt now. Idiot. See, the next time you come here, we'll put you in the cell. And then we'll put the yam. I'll be feeding I say idiot. I hope it's complete. I hope it's complete. I hope it's complete. Drop it.
This will be one.
It's complete, Abby. Chile. Can't listen. Leave. I'm not trust you. You know what? Just go to the back. Go to the back. Go to the back and you will see your person will see where you go.
If you want that, you bring it, let's mark it.
Thank you. Thank you, officer.
You say to them, I don't fuck it up. What guy, idiot? Can you imagine? Look at the way this idiot was looking at me. I see money. Hey, they made mistake. Hey, mistake. From 1,000. I don't know 1,000 inside. This is your pattern.
How much is my shoe?
Your shoe will never complete. Other people will not come. What's the problem with the money? I was even complaining something to you. You're looking at the money and telling me I want it. Go, this year. You're so impossible. Go. What is with you with the money? When I say I might like care. Can you imagine? Idiot. How much is my chair? Calm down. When the money will still go, other money will come. Like that woman now, she will come back with that with her own money. She will add it, and other people will add. By the time you get to like 3 or 4 or 5 days, the money will be big. Then I don't know how much I will give you. After that, you are the inventor. You started it. You remove your mind, let me be serious. Come. Hey, stop that nonsense. No, stop that. Are you people mad? So this is how you greet your officer. You see this nonsense that you are all this nonsense that Chile insulted the people. I'm not Chile. Because all this nonsense you people are doing that just because of Chile. You don't greet a senior officer with Come, see, I don't know what you people are doing with Chile. Because I know that this is Chile's concept. In my own concept, whatever you are doing, immediately you cite me them. Hey, bastard! Ciao! Do you understand? Not. Oh my sir. Idiot. Do that. Hey! Look at you are too heavy to become an officer. Very heavy, very serious. Yeah? Do it and do it well. Hey! What's going on?
Yeah, good thing.
Do because I want to go and get my motorcycle. Arrange this one. Come. Hey. Come. Hey. Are you mad? Can you just come here? If you spoil that, will you pay?
Officer, good morning.
What did I do you? What is the problem?
Officer, someone came and set trap on my farm. I went there to work and the trap caught my leg.
Caught your leg?
Yes, sir.
Are you an inch? How can trap leave animal that it will catch and then catch a human being?
Officer, I didn't know there was trap there. I only entered my farm to work peacefully. The next thing I heard was, on my leg and gave me this big wound. I went to the person's house to tell him. Instead of him to say something so that we'll go look for how to treat my leg, he started beating me. Threatening to kill me on top of the thing.
Are you serious? Started beating you on top of the trap that got you?
I was in the office. I didn't know what else to do now. I had to come. Since I remember there's this officer's law in this village, I said, let me come and cry to you.
It's all right.
So that you can...
The thing is that... what do you want us to do now? Because this is a community case. You should not have come to this place.
Officer, I just want to get treated.
But no problem. Go and get the register. This is a case file, so we have to, you have to make a... we have to open a file for you, and that the price of it is 7,000. What is? Did you know what I said? The case opening fees is 7,000. So
the 7,000 to open file, to open case. If I had 7,000, I'm going to treat myself now.
Oh, exactly.
So I had 7,000 and I came to
if it is like that, just go. Go, take this.
Officer, see what we will do. You will follow me, let's go and arrest the person. If I arrest the person, you will charge the person will pay for everything. You will pay for the damages. After I'm the one that is wounded, yeah.
Okay, if it is like that we will go there and then charge the person will pay. It is no longer going to be 7,000. It is going to be 10,000.
Officer, why?
It is going to be. See, I am going there now to open a case on his head. How can somebody come to somebody's farm, set a trap, and then the trap catches the owner of the farm?
As long as you will arrest the person and the person will treat my leg, I'm okay with it. Let's go and arrest the person.
It's all right. People should take care of this place. I'll from there go and collect my motorcycle. Do you understand? Let Chile know. Tell Chile that I said she should just mind her business here. Do you understand? See what will happen there. When we get there, because of the situation right there, I'm going to go there to intimidate him, to open eye as an officer. Then I will tell you I will charge him 20,000 for setting trap in your farm. You're sure that farm belongs to you?
It is my farm.
You sure it's your farm?
It is the only thing my father left for me.
No, I didn't want it to begin to tell me history. If it is your farm, no problem. I will charge the person 20,000 because that is an offense. Then when the person pays the 20,000, that's for the case opening. If you bring the 20,000, I'll give you 5,000. I'll give you 5,000. Then I will now charge him 100,000 for
not agreeing to treat me.
For farm accused. Accused. Just is in the
farm impersonation.
Farm impersonation accused. It is a crime. You pay 100,000. You understand? Let's go.
Officer, you hold me.
Me? How do you mean?
You will hold me.
My friend, when you came here, did anybody hold you? My friend, stand up. Let's go now. I have 20 places to do today.
Okay, Officer, Biko, let's go.
Please, before I come, because from there, I'll go and get my bag, my motorcycle. Before I come, make sure that everything's not be going out of there, because stand up from there. Move it. When we get there. Nah. Sorry. Don't worry. Sorry. By the time we get there, he will pay us 20,000 for case opening, then 100,000 for treatment, and then setting trap into your farm.
Okay.
The 100,000 will share it 50-50.
50-50.
You use 50,000 to treat yourself.
Bring the pepper soup now. You want more drinks? Bring drink, come first. Baby, drink. You want this one? That one.
Okay, hey! You are under arrest for farm, for setting trap on it.
Who's under arrest? My friend, I thought I warned you. What's your problem now? What are you doing here? I go bust your head.
Which one is am I doing? You set trap on my farm and the trap cut my leg. You don't want to treat me.
Shut up,
you asking me what are you doing?
You keep money for Kevin.
You come and treat me. You under arrest. Follow us. Let's go.
Who?
Officer. Officer is the person here.
Who is the person?
Yeah, you know the one that set trap on my farm? Lucy. Lucy.
Ah! Oh, yeah, Lucy. This is Amaka. I'll say Lucy. Lucy. Oh, Amaka, my baby now.
Chineke! Oh, Amaka here. Oh no!
What is happening here?
Officer,
Officer, this is the man walking the idiot. Can you imagine? So, Lucy. What is that? See, this man. Do you know this? Come, did this idiot tell you who she is to me? So, Lucy in my house and Amaka in this man's house. So, this is you. No, tell me now because the next thing you tell me now, I can explain it. What are you going to explain now? That is your brother or your brother from your mother's side.
Who is your brother? Me? How?
You see? Okay, your brother from your mother's side.
Officer, it's not
your uncle.
Is this one?
Okay? Do you know what is happening now?
This is who we came for. No?
This is Lucy, my girlfriend. What do you do? Baby. My girlfriend. Okay, see, okay, you're under arrest. You're under arrest for breaking here for this is okay? This man is this idiot is my girlfriend. So this is what you do. You are cheating on me. You do me, you did this man. In here.
What is that kind? Enough now, Enough. What to do? Chile will not allow us to do. And you know me, I like doing, I like doing.
Adame man.
See now, strong man, Odogo is here. Allow me to enjoy my life. Please go back to your daughter in the house.
Chineke, this girl is one. Lucy, so all those ones that we have been doing without Chile, what happened? What have I not been doing it well?
It's not enough. It's not enough.
It's not enough.
I like it hard.
So?
I like it hard.
You like it hard? So all those ones that have been digging my grave in you do not like it hard?
Not digging well. Not digging well.
This man is under arrest.
Not digging
Take a hat, officer. Take a hat.
Officer,
my girlfriend.
Officer, this man is under arrest.
Take a hat now.
Under arrest.
Oh,
go now.
Go abeg.
The pressure, the
not arrested.
Look at Lucy.
Go to your daughter.
He's under arrest.
My friend, come and get her from here. Come and get her. I'm sorry, my lord.
Hold my drink now.
I'm sorry. They will bring another one.
Don't mind him.
So this is your S?
No, my uncle.
Huh?
My brother.
You just said I'm your brother. Now he's your brother.
Don't mind him. Yes. Drink so we can go to the house.
Are you not tired?
No, it's doing me do.
You don't shout, you're in the public.
Wow, Chile, my daughter. Oh, Chile, my daughter. Chile, do you know I can use your name now to sing, to compose a wonderful song that once we hit the market, wow, it will go viral.
Abby?
Chile. Chile, my daughter. See money when they rob for city. When they fire me, I could just get the open gate, the close gate for city. They're gonna shut all the knock for people.
You say the open gate, the closed gate. Now for office, the open gate, the closed gate.
What is that one? Where that one come from? Who talk?
Now you talk and no. Say you do get man for office.
I talk it now. No, Okay. What I mean is that city gate now. City gate. In my office, where we work. City gate.
Okay, now you the open gate for your office.
No, forget the gate. Apple gate. If I don't that, I don't tell you that city gate. We are going to see on them. We're going to talk all this like what's point this mood now. You see the talk gate. Forget gate. Forget gate. Let's talk about money. Yeah?
I never know my papa work finish. But no one.
I say gate. What I mean is a city gate. You don't say no.
They shout if they explain something. Now they cannot understand. No wahala. I don't understand. I don't hear you.
Gate. A mistake. If I talk gate here, a mistake. I don't even know when I talk that gate. You understand me? So what are they talk? Say the gate, the money where they rob me for city. See money here.
But I tell you say village people they get money. I tell you money dey this village.
Indeed.
Money yakpa for this village.
I believe you, my daughter. I believe you.
Yakpa.
I believe you.
I'm gonna say you don't leave that city work.
See money. You know, since that day when you go dig out money for ground, where I see that plenty money, till today, that's what money they come. They come.
You still dey remember that day?
Why not remember?
You still dey remember that day?
You shocked me. You shocked me that day. I said, how this my daughter get married, carry money, go bury for ground? Say you are so impossible. I don't know, say a wonderful idea. Thank you for this wonderful idea. Thank you, so I follow you. I thank you, say you be my daughter.
But I think I go bring down this house now. I go build another house for her. She better tell you.
You talk am.
I think I'll be your helper. She better tell you.
You talk am. But forget about this house. No go there. Don't be all this. How much you don't get this? When they talk, say you go. No go. Forget this side. How many years you think you go still there to begin to talk of bringing that this building? No, you see this building, forget it. You know how much we go take to dig foundation? Talk less of saying you go build this house again because of say we carry this money. Don't go there. Chile. No talk about this building. Maybe we just talk about the money we will make now. You understand? Thank you so much for the idea where you give me. You can't make this money. It's all those times where they tell you say Chile, you are not my daughter. Sorry, I'm so sorry. And I'm not annoyance. You are my daughter, my precious daughter. I appreciate you. Oh, thank you. Chile. For this camp village women there, how they take they make money? We say they make money, they can gather this money. Even till darkness never come, we don't get this one now.
That question where you ask, you supposed to ask them because I mean they did this village. I mean know everything about them.
Yes.
This village they get money.
Are you serious?
Some of them they do farm work, and farm work now they pay well. Farm work. You go call person, you can't clear your farm for they go they charge you, and now they charge better money. Some of them they do hand work, normal hand work. Some of them they go outside this village, go work, they go pay them better money. Some of them they do plenty work. Some of them they do boyfriend work. Okay, yes, now all these guys, some of them they do boyfriend work. Where boyfriend they pay them money every month.
Are you serious?
Money that this village, yakpa.
Wow. I believe you. I believe you because for us to make this kind of money here by this hour, money they do too. You understand?
Money day.
No wonder where this kind of money they come out. Oh, no problem. See what will happen now. We don't get this one for today. We go drink beer. You now you got to the like. So I go drink beer. You then by this we go put chicken. Chicken or pea soup. What do you think?
Anyone you go where?
You go where? So after that, what's the next plan?
Go put the next plan. The next plan for night. Why they put the money for pockets now? I know they like as me and you they take work. I know they like them. I go so far they bring idea. If you bring every time as work finish, you go put them for pocket.
Oh, where go put them?
You don't overpower me.
Okay, fine. No problem. Make I put them in pocket.
No.
Where go put
them? Don't do like that. Don't do like that. I don't go to work with you again. Don't do like that. I don't like that.
What you want make I do?
You dey chance me.
Where want make I put them?
Make we talk as we take share the money now. Nah, don't take everything. Make we finish up. Make we dey share the business. Make we dey share the. I don't go work with you again. No, I don't go work with you again. No.
What do you come? You know what is money? What is money? Small girl like you they talk of money.
Okay,
they talk about food.
Why they talk about the business idea? Why not them say as much they bring business idea?
If you bring idea, if when money come, talk of food so that you go grow. Idiot.
Now people like you know they make people they help people.
See.
I don't go help you again.
Anytime money come this house, talk about food so that you go
help you again.
I don't go
help you again. No. I go go there work my own with my team member. I don't go call you again. No. I don't go call you again. No. Okay.
You are meant to watch money. What's the money they go talk? That be food.
I go start this my work from fresh. I go call my team member, I go start them again, they make my money, they put in my pocket. I'm not gonna help you again, no. Now this kind of thing, they make people know they help people, no. Now this kind of thing.
Hey, this one a serious story, oh. Ordinary security don't turn to officer, oh. What I don't pass a Gary. Even sumo moto big engine don't join them too.
Russia. You don't want me to come. What do you see? You don't get anything. You don't. Go. Sharp.
Madam, Give me your bag, no search.
What sort of nonsense is this?
Who are you talking to? Come on, open bag, let me search. Are you mad? Are you stupid? You Chris. Madam, bring your bag, make we search.
Are you okay?
So you look government picking like me, you insult me, you want collect, you are mad.
Is it because you are wearing uniform?
Cobra, what's going on there? What is
I don't know this stupid woman, this village stick. I tell her say make her open bag, search bag. Nobody say she carry better bag on her sack bag, she don't insult us. They say you be thief, say you dey rape all these village women.
Me?
Like I don't understand.
Are you mad?
Officer, I did not say it.
Shut up! Criminal!
Me?
If I hit me again, if I land this slap, you think you can survive it? You said it!
You even point your face, I did not say it.
You did not say it and you are pointing. Sugar Kante! Are you mad? Idiot! You know what? Come and search this bag.
Search this bag.
Sean!
I know which to search that bag.
Capture anything, kakao wakao. Seize it.
Make sure nothing limits inside that bag.
You're calling me, if not for one thing, you know you said.
Hey!
No.
What is that? Pepper.
Short.
Come, madam, are you a native doctor?
No.
What is the meaning of all this liver? Come.
Native doctor. I for say why you get mind they talk to person like this. You know fear. Sorry my dear. Sorry my dear.
Sir!
Yes.
SB. Hey! I did not put it.
Madam, just this way. Just move it.
Officer!
Take a step forward.
Officer, I did not put it.
Shut up. Let me see.
Hey!
Can you imagine?
Hey! Officer!
You look it.
Officer, I'm not the one.
You're not the one.
I'm not the one.
You're not the one. No. Who put it there? You are
an Igbo smoker.
No. Native doctor.
Hey, no.
Now why she dey like this now?
No wonder.
The Igbo don't suck all your blood to finish.
No, I did not put it.
Shut up. See. You are type are the people that we have been looking for.
Hey.
So you are an Igbo smoker.
No.
Your type are the people that we have been looking for in this village. Let me tell you, you will go in for it. Shut up.
Officer, please.
Keep quiet. Because whatever you say here,
Please,
you against you. I'm
the
floor.
I'm a widow. I just lost my husband in this city. I just need to the village.
You can beg.
Officer, please.
So you're a widow?
Yes, I'm a widow.
No. As a widow, you not converted the widowhood into
Igbo smoker.
No.
See what Igbo don't tell me.
Just shut up, because Igbo has dried your skin. It's so fine. See, what we say right now is for you to get out.
Officer.
Run up!
Is that all?
That's all. Run. Let me see you.
Yes, sir.
Go take your Igbo. One day they go catch you now. Now they put up for that person bag.
Go take it back.
Chebi now they put up for person bag.
Who blew now? Open it.
Who's that cook okra soup?
Okra soup don't land. Bring it down. Fish there.
Fish there?
Fish there.
Fish.
May I see the fish?
Okay, fish there.
This time we buy fish for soup.
No.
Where the fish now?
Fish there inside.
Bring it out. Let me see the fish.
No, we'll go now.
Come. Where is the fish? Come on. Can you imagine? There's fish in it. The fish has disappeared. Where is the fish? Come, Chile. Are you mad? Come, give it to me.
I like one. Today food don't set.
Happy? Yes. No position here. Go this way, go to your house. Drop, see what happened there.
Food is for today, don't say.
You, carry this bag to the back.
Call your girlfriend, let you come cook for us.
Which girlfriend? But not just go there. Go sharp, quickly. I said don't take this. You only that one. Take only that one inside. They don't want to smoke this idiot. Can you imagine? Take that into the back. She wanted to collect this one. That girl, she's suspect.
No, she's not. She's just like that.
She's not like that? So what is she looking for here?
Maybe she to say you say make she carry and go inside now.
Go this way. What is this? Come! Why is it that you people are just very interested in this particular one? You know what? As far as today is concerned, we are done. You understand? What is that? Why will I hide the money? Get out from this money. So, now we go. Mugu.
Why you can't give them for 400?
What you consider? What you?
No, because they help us to do all this.
Shut up, huh?
No, they tell me to shut up. Now then they help us to do all this. Now my workers them be. I guess they pay them well.
You know what? We are done for today.
No, Papa.
School is away.
You don't go pay them that 400.
No. But first, come sit down.
Papa, no, me I no go agree.
If you
they do this work for us. Don't pay the 400.
Walk this bitch away. Move it. No, we are done for today. Come, where are you going? I said go, let's go for today. That's you are not. Thank you. God bless you for today. What are you going to do? I
want to let you see the two. You took the eye for money. I don't like him.
Slap you now.
I don't like him.
No, sit down here. You are not spoiling these children.
You took the eye for money. I don't like him. I don't like him.
No girl like you. Every time money.
I don't like him.
See, let me tell you, Ochile, your love for money is the root of all evil. Idiot. You want to carry this with your open eye for where money they go inside for these children.
Call your girlfriend, make them are hungry. I beg.
No, don't talk about that girl. No, see, no make me remember what I don't forget to. You know what happened? Ha! If I tell you what that girl do, that idiot, we call herself rich, that elephant. If I tell you what she do, you could just say, bring her here, make us stab her. Can you imagine? You know, say that idiot will be like elephant. Now you tell me, say, make I forget the girl. Make she don't come here. I don't agree. I can't say, okay, make me and the sea by Conco. You understand? Now the thing I have the plan, make I know as I go bring her back. Now my day here, you know there now. Now one boy run here, but one man like that run say they set trap for him farm. Say the trap can't catch and we get farm. Cause say you don't go meet the man say go beat him. Vat man beat him. Say make you go arrest him. So I can't charge him 20,000. Now wait for K5. We say I will give him I go take 15,000. Give him 5,000. Then the 100,000 we will go charge the man. I hope so the man bring up 50-50. He go carry 50. Go 37. Me I go carry 50. You understand me? Now that idiot will go polish. If you see that leg, that thing will do for leg. No go again. The idiot carry me go me to the sea. He come and say the man won't go arrest. Now who see wrong go meet. Two of them come they do me I do you. God don't confess. But do me I do you. God confess. And I tell you.
What you do me I do you. God no confess. What you should do me I do you.
Do me I do you. God no confess. I don't go there. Look you see now small girl you be. You never know anything. That day. Don't go find that day idiot. Lucy.
You don't give up a time for you for this life. That get finish me.
You say I be small picking, I not supposed to know all this thing. Wait till why you call the tell me the story. Just call her, make she come cook now.
I don't know what I tell you. I don't this is what I talk now. You hear them. This is what I tell you. I say that guy, look, ever call here again. You don't hear them. This is what I tell you. I say this. See, make I tell you, for where food day, that guy is zero. But if not there, number one. I'm telling you for
what's it down?
Eh?
What's it be there?
No talk, no go there. See what will happen now. Forget what if you see that do me and do you forget about your ear, forget about your head. That's what speaking me.
Okay.
See what will happen now. Eh? With that food, that's yeah, what we. What that one? Like this one now.
But man, I'm not gonna talk of this thing though. That man will be like,
carry this thing, go inside, go
eat, go touch her mouth. That woman be like native doctor. Be like person where they come out from, all this native doctor shrine thing. Carry this yama thing. I don't go chop it.
Abi, see that woman a native doctor, Abi?
Dash her mouth.
He look, and I know you doctor too. But what will make you now? What will make you now call allowance?
Don't be so.
Allowance will go carry native doctor thing. Carry.
What carry him? Say we want chop him. We carry him to wicked down now. No, no go chop him.
To wicked down, you are going
to chop him. Use your own pot.
Because see what will happen now. Leave this thing. Go inside. Go inside. Make I check all this things. Don't provoke me. Don't provoke. Chile.
Chile and Papa say they get sense. That man they fuck up. All the whole arrest. 400 naira. This man just put for our hand. This man just use it like all those sky thing. You go see what you go do here. After 3 operations, you divide the money. Take half, I take half. You come on.
No, but you the fuck up.
Which can be the fuck up? Why won't put the blame? No, try that.
No, you carry the break your head. No, I don't do again. I don't do again. I don't do again. Now you the fuck up. I don't do again. I don't do. Which kind of business this one? Now you are the follow the play. You don't talk. You the crazy.
Officer, sit there.
Hey!
Arrest them! Now you be the criminal when they regret the whole village.
My papa like this now is a well satisfied officer. I want to work on that line.
Shut up! You work on now, sir.
Which department do you come from? Which station? Which station is it?
Police station.
Which station?
What is station?
Huh?
Station what?
From state society.
Okay.
So you are the person terrorizing this community in the name of police.
No, sir. I mean, get man. Like get man, shut up. You don't know what this is. Shut up. Like get man, I mean, see uniform now. This is the police. See uniform. See, like get man, they do. Chile me, get man. What I do is open and close gate.
So now why you only talk about gate? Papa, you be get man.
What I do now? Open gate, close gate. That is my job. I don't say
you come from state CID.
You don't see me show me before now.
Under arrest.
Yes.
Chief, shut up! Shut up! Criminal!
You see what you call?
Criminal!
Shut up! Criminal!
Onosh!
Even some moto big engine don't join them too. But I don't pass it. Up one elegant, he go come back for night. And so stories I've been to know. This one now hustle I've been a scam. The more you look, the less you see. Whatever serious story. Ordinary security don't turn to officer. Water don't pass a gari. Even sumo moto big engine don't join them too. Water don't pass a gari. Papa and bikini don't get a new format. Silence. Their format not to the obtain people anyhow. Silence. Anything they see they must collect. Anything you carry they must collect. I been a money they collect. I been a yam they go chop.